So a rather unusual NBA final is currently in progress, in that this year's final is between two small market teams in the Oklahoma City Thunder and the Indiana Pacers. No Lakers or Celtics or Knicks. None of the veteran superstars like LeBron James or Steph Curry or Kevin Durant. It's almost a complete changing of the guard, with two of the youngest teams in the league contesting the final, with new stars like regular season MVP Shai Gilgeous-Alexander and Tyrese Halliburton supposedly bringing the star power. And look, the series been great. The basketball has been spectacular, but it just don't feel the same. These new young stars don't have the presence and or the personality of the stars of the previous era. And it will take some time for them to be fully accepted by the basketball fraternity. So initially, viewership will go down. But as their careers progress, we suspect they will eventually wear the crown.